This is Xreal Beam Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by making sure that your date and time are set correctly. And the way you do that on this device is by launching your system settings. Here enter the system category, then open the date and time preferences, and now switch on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically options, thus making sure that your date and time are indeed properly synchronized and you will have an access. This way you will have an access to internet services. If that didn't help, you may want to enter the network and internet category of settings. Here go for the internet, and first try toggling the Wi-Fi off and on, and then you can also try for getting the network you are experiencing those problems with. Like, let's say I'll go with this one. So this is the network that I'm experiencing those pesky issues with. And the way you forget a network on this phone is by opening the network details page, then here tap at the forget button, and then wait for the very same network to appear here, and then reconnect to it to see if it will get you anywhere. And then the final troubleshooting advice that I have is that you reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi preferences. And well, in order to do that, you will need to once again launch settings, then enter the system category. Here go for the reset options, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, confirm, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.